teacher. Teacher, is it right? Yes, Layla. It's right. What will be the homework? There will be no homework today. Why? Layla, I have to tell you something. Alright, teacher. What do you want to tell me? Emma is not your real mother. What? Emma is not your real mother. It just can't be truth. You're kidding me. I'm not kidding you. She's not your real mother. No, it can't be truth. All these years. No, it just can't be truth. No, she is my mother. She is my mother. No, Layla, she is not your mother. Yes, she is. It can't be true. No. I really had to tell you that. No. Layla, you have to drink something. It should be alright. When my mother will come home, I will tell her everything, and I'll never love her again. No, I love her. Oh, why did she do that to me? Layla, everything's alright. Your mother will be the same. Just the thing, you have to know that she's not your real mother.